Do you make a lot of writing errors? Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Roka Vita English. In today's video, I'm going to forewarn you about 5 do's and don'ts of English writing. Let us first discuss 5 do's of English writing that is essential while writing any piece in English. Firstly, how to write the title or heading. The first thing to note here is that message, letter and emails does not demand a title. Secondly, title for paragraph, essays and stories should be theme based. Another thing to remember is title for article, speech, debate, report, posters should be catchy and interesting. Second do of English writing is add simple but powerful quotes. Quotations should be added. The things to remember here is that paragraph, essay, story, article, debate or speech demands quotes. Yes, you can write quotes, add quotes with a paragraph, with an essay, with a story, with an article, with a debate and with a speech. Thirdly, you should memorize at least 5 fixed phrases or expressions. For example, the phrases goes with the writing skill should be as for. Another point to consider is having said that, therefore, to conclude, such kind of fixed expressions should be kept exclusively for writing material. The fourth do of English writing is that if a composition is too long, that means if your writing matter is too long, it should be divided into paragraphs. Yes, you can have a look at the essay or a paragraph that is without any division. It looks very lengthy and boring. On the other hand, a paragraph that is divided, letter that is divided, piece of English writing divided into paragraphs looks very systematic, organized and well planned. Lastly, always check for grammar and spelling errors before sending or before final submission. A paragraph full of grammar errors can have simple grammar errors. You have to check for that. That could be knowingly or unknowingly done by you. Paragraph with simple silly mistakes of spelling that needs to be rectified before final submission. Now let's very quickly jump to the 5 don'ts of English writing. Firstly, the first don't of English writing is avoid unnecessary capital letters. Capital letters should not be put anywhere and everywhere. Capital letters are put at the beginning of the sentence if it's a name, or if it is standing for yourself, that means I. That I would be capital. Secondly, the second don't of English writing is avoid contractions. Contractions are the short forms like don't, couldn't, wouldn't, shouldn't. All these should be avoided when you are writing a piece in English. It looks very unpleasant when you are writing it, especially for any formal purpose. Thirdly, the third don't of English writing is repetitive words should not be used. Avoid using repetitive words. Repetition should not be made because again it looks very unpleasant. It does not please the readers to see the same words again and again in the writing piece. You can use its synonym or any other word that is closer in meaning to that. Fourthly, the fourth don't of English writing is avoid using passive voice. Especially for formal writing again, passive voice should not be used. As you can see the example, the manager showed the presentation. The presentation was showed by the manager. So the manager put up the presentation or showed the presentation appears or sounds much correct, much pleasant than the other way around. The other way is passive voice, is the use of passive voice which does not sound good in formal piece of English writing. And lastly, that is the fifth don't of English writing, is you have to be careful of using alien words. Alien words are words that are new, that we often confuse with something else, and that we end up writing in our piece of English writing, the meaning of which we do not know. So all those words, if you want to sound very polished and you want to use rich English words, use it very carefully and use it only if you are very sure about its meaning. As you can see the example, people are afraid of rejection. People are afraid of dejection. Dejection and rejection, might be rejection does not come to your mind and you find that rejection and dejection means the same thing. Yes, but it actually not. Rejection, we all know, someone who is rejected. Dejection means depression, that is sorrow. Yes, people are not afraid of depression. People are afraid of rejection. So here we have to be very careful with the alien words. Now let's summarize very quickly the do's and don'ts of English writing that we have learned so far. The do's are, firstly, catchy heading or title. You should have powerful quotes, memorize fixed phrases, always divide longer compositions into paragraphs, and before final submission, you should always check your grammar and spelling errors. And the 5 don'ts that you should always avoid in English writing is using unnecessary capital letters, avoid contractions, that's short forms, avoid repetitive words, avoid passive voice, and avoid alien words. If you keep in mind the do's and don'ts of English writing, you are never ever going to make any mistake. So practice English writing at least one diary page daily to improve your writing. The other way is you can write a paragraph on current affairs, the current topics that you see in the news every day. You can write letters to each other telling about how was your day. Yes, so there are many other ways in which you can improve your writing skills, and do let me know in the comment box how are you improving your writing skills. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to channel Voca Vita English for more informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll meet you again every Wednesday and Saturday with my new informational videos. Till then, happy learning.